sweet little monkey. Early Bird Soundbooks. Sweet Little Monkey, written by Julia Lobo. Little monkey loves his mommy so much. She takes good care of him. He wants to give her a surprise. But what would she like? I know, little monkey says to himself. A banana would be a yummy treat.
Banana.
Banana. Little monkey goes off into the forest to find some bananas. He sees some. He climbs up a tree to reach them. But these bananas won't do. They are much too green. Little monkey has to keep looking. Little monkey walks down to the river. Look, there are some bananas on the ground. Says little monkey. These bananas are much too brown. He decides to keep looking for the perfect banana. Little monkey sees another banana tree. These bananas looking just right. Yes. Little monkey climbs to the top of the tree. There are so many bananas. He looks and looks until he finds the perfect one. Little monkey brings his mommy the perfect banana. She is so surprised. I also have a surprise, says Mommy. I picked out a banana for you. Little monkey takes a bite. Yum! That banana is perfect too.
Lemon banana.
Yes. The end. Will little monkey find the perfect banana for his mommy? Yes. Bye.